Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I will show you a tutorial about how to create a manufacture order. A manufacture order is a production instruction to instruct factory what is the requirement of produce items. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Transactions. You will find that the MFG block means manufacture. Click it, then click the manufacture order to go to Orders interface. Let's import data from factory contract named Garment PO. Click the top right corner option, and then Import and Garment PO. It is a import list page. You can see the top of page. There are some searching criteria to search item which looking for. Below that, it is a result list. By default, all items on the list are shown which not handle yet. That means these items require production, but not handle yet. Let's import all of them. Okay, the items are imported into orders. Then we go to Manufacture Order tab, to see the orders factory. You can see that the factory's information has copied from Garment PO. Then, we go to set the picking material warehouse for this order. And then go to Shipment tab, to set a shipment details information. Okay, we go to Next tab, Size Specification. Since the size specification of the item master has been already input, we can directly import by clicking the Import button. Then, we go to Next tab Material Instruction. You can input the instruction of requirements in a grid format. Click the cross sign icon to increase more grid space for input. The next tab is a material combo, which is BOM information to the factory. Since this information has been input in master, we can directly import it by clicking the Import button. These are the imported BOM data. We have another video that describes the calculation of usage quantity of each material. You may find the video from Information tag in the top right corner. The next tab is Cost Sheet. Its operation is same as sales order to preliminary calculate the cost of finished goods. The next tab is BOM Requirement. It is the usage information of each material. Click Generate All Product to generate the usage of each material. The next tab is Reservation for this orders, but it is not available yet until the order created. The next tab is Image. You can upload the image of the finished goods into a document to identify the production. The next tab is Reminder, but it is not available yet until the order created. The next tab is Upload. You can upload relative document file linked to orders. After that, we can save the orders and get a new order number. And let's approval the order. Okay, let's preview the printout. This is the printout. Here, I do not describe the preview function. If you want know more detail, please find the video from Information tag in the top right corner. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.